Ricoh just made it official, but this announcement is going to trigger a massive panic buy on the used market. If you were holding out hope to grab a current-gen Ricoh GR IIIx, your time officially ran out today. Ricoh officially confirmed the development of the GR IIIx for a late 2026 release window, but embedded in that press release was a brutal reality check. Production for the entire GR IIIx lineup, including the Urban Edition and HDF variants, officially shuts down in October 2026. That means we are looking at a dark period of 2 to 3 months with 0 40mm equivalent Ricoh compacts on store shelves anywhere on Earth. If you thought getting your hands on a standard GR4 was a logistical nightmare over the last 12 months, the allocation war for this new 40mm setup is about to get significantly worse. Let's break down the technical specifications Ricoh slipped into this release because the optical layout for this focal length is undergoing a substantial overhaul. The upcoming GR IIIx features a newly designed 26.1mm fixed optic, which translates to that iconic 40mm full-frame field of view. The optical construction uses 6 elements in 8 groups, featuring 3 precision glass-molded aspherical elements. They maintain the bright f/2.0 to f/16 aperture range, but the big news sits directly behind that glass. We are getting the brand new 25.74-megapixel APS-C sensor paired with a custom sensor shift image stabilization mechanism. According to global supply chain leaks analyzed by Peer Review, Camera Beta, and Nikkei Tech, Ricoh is consolidating their assembly lines to handle this massive optical redesign. Japan-side retail tracking from Yodobashi Camera and Map Camera indicates that pre-order queues for the baseline GR4 are still backlogged by up to 6 months. Bring in the team at Photorumors and Camera Grand Prix Insights, and the story gets even wilder. Thermal throttling isn't even the bottleneck here, the issue is pure physical component allocation for these microscopic IBIS units. Honestly, I'll believe Ricoh resolved their inventory bottlenecks when I actually see units sitting on store shelves for more than 5 seconds. Wait, really? MicroSD card slots again? Yes, just like the base GR4, Ricoh is sticking with MicroSD to keep the body footprint down to an astonishing 109.4 by 61.1 by 33.2 mm. At just 265 grams with the DB120 battery and media installed, it remains the lightest APS-C camera ecosystem on the market. But let's be real for a second, swapping tiny MicroSD cards out in the field during a rainy street shoot is a recipe for losing your footage in a gutter. Most of us will just stick to the USB-C power delivery port for offloading continuous 14-bit RAW files. Quick question for everyone watching right now, are you in the 28mm wide-angle camp, or are you holding out for the tight 40mm perspective of the IIIx? Drop your daily driver focal length in the comments below, I want to see how many 40mm purists we actually have here. Now, let's talk about the features that street shooters actually care about. The hybrid autofocus system is receiving the same contrast plus phase detection upgrade as the GR4, complete with updated face and eye tracking algorithms. Close focus distance sits at 0.2 meters in standard mode, dropping down to 0.12 meters when you engage the dedicated macro mode. And yes, for everyone asking, the built-in physical ND filter is officially back. This isn't some software trick like you see on OEM system bodies. It's a real, physical glass element that drops your exposure instantly, letting you shoot wide open at f/2.0 in direct midday sunlight. For those times when 40mm isn't tight enough, the digital crop modes give you instant 50mm and 71mm equivalent framing directly on the 3.1-inch capacitive touchscreen, though you will sacrifice some of that 25-megapixel resolution. For video shooters, technically it offers 4K recording, but let's not kid ourselves. Ricoh autofocus in video mode has historically been practically unusable, and unless they pulled off a complete technological miracle behind closed doors, you shouldn't buy this as a cinematic daily driver. The real panic is the timeline. With GR IIIx manufacturing ending this fall and the GR IIIx not hitting store shelves until winter at the earliest, and likely leaking into early next year for general delivery, the second-hand market prices for older models are about to skyrocket. If you need a pocket-sized 40mm street camera before next year, you need to make a move right now before inventory completely vanishes. Ricoh has officially announced the development of the GR IIIx with a 40mm equivalent f/2.0 optic, a 25.74MP APS-C sensor, and built-in IBIS. However, with Ricoh discontinuing the GR IIIx, street photographers face a major inventory gap before the GR IIIx release. We analyzed the complete spec sheet, MicroSD storage decision, macro autofocus performance, and production timelines. Ricoh GR IIIx production officially ends in October, leaving a massive gap before the GR IIIx ships. In this video, we break down the official development announcement from Ricoh, covering the new 26.1mm, 40mm equiv lens construction, updated sensor shift stabilization, hybrid focus upgrades, and why buying a compact camera is about to get much harder. Is the Ricoh GR IIIx the ultimate pocket daily driver, or will supply shortages ruin the launch? We dig into the official technical release from Ricoh, featuring 25.74 megapixels, hybrid phase detection autofocus, phase/eye tracking, 0.12mm macro focusing, and a physical ND filter inside a 265-gram body.